Today we are starting with cleavage. As you can see, it is the continuation of last lecture what we have studied. This is ovary, finger-like projection fimbriae, fertilization. This structure is formed immediately after fertilization, means after first day of fertilization. Two-celled structure, it moves ahead. In the fallopian tube, this is day 2, four-celled structure, still moved ahead. Day 3, this is known as morula. Still it is going ahead and it is reaching at this junction. At this time, it is known as the blastocyst. This is the day 5th of fertilization. This formed structure moves ahead and it is implanted on the inner wall of the uterus, that is endometrium. And here finger-like structures are formed. They are known as the trophoblast, so that embryo can be implanted easily on the inner wall of the uterus, that is endometrium. Now this you can see, this is cervix, this is vagina. Now pregnancy, parturition and lactation. After implantation, finger-like projections appear which surround the uterine tissue and menstrual flow. These finger-like projections are known as chorionic villi, which are surrounded by uterine tissue to form a structural and functional unit between developing embryo and mother, known as placenta. Now functions of placenta: supply of oxygen to the embryo, removal of carbon dioxide and excretory waste material, transport of substances to and from the embryo. Placenta works as an endocrine tissue and produces hormones like estrogen, progesterone, lactogen and gonadotropin. In the later stages of pregnancy, relaxin hormone is released, which is needed at the time of parturition, that is birth, to give relaxation to the uterus. During pregnancy, estrogen, progesterone, prolactin hormone is essential for the growth of the fetus, that is embryo. After implantation, ectoderm and endoderm is formed. Immediately after this, mesoderm is formed. Stem cells. These are the cells which gives rise to all tissues and organs. Human pregnancy lasts for 9 months, and the time from when implantation occurs until the birth of the young one is known as gestation period. Now parturition and lactation. Continuous and painful contraction of the uterus causes delivery of the fetus and is known as parturition, that is birth. This process is completely neuroendocrine mechanism, means controlled by nervous system plus endocrine system. Signals of parturition starts from developing fetus and placenta, and due to this uterine contraction start, and it is known as fetal ejection reflex, and release of oxytocin occurs. At the same time, stimulatory reflexes occur between the uterine contraction also. Oxytocin secretion causes stronger contraction of the uterus. It leads to expulsion of the baby out of the uterus through birth canal. Near about from end of the 7th month, milk production starts in mammary gland, which is known as lactation. Milk which is produced in initial few days of lactation is known as colostrum, which contain several antibodies which are needed for infants, means baby's body. Now as you can see, this is ready. This is placenta. This is umbilical cord, connection between mother and baby. This is cavity of the uterus. This is yolk sac and this is embryo. And this is the part from where it comes out, which is known as delivery of the baby. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.